Tell me the Python programming pros and cons.
Python can be a slow language when it is trying to run.
It is also a fast one to learn. The classic Hello World program is print Hello World.
Python is simple, but sometimes it is so simple that it lacks more advanced functions. It lacks user-defined value types, and Python won't let you write kernel code.
I'd get an F the moment I try to learn C, which is used to create operating systems.
Python can let you catch semantic errors with the debugger, but it is not as good with syntactic errors. For example, it won't find mistyped variable names until you actually run the code.
I'm not even sure what those terms mean, except for debugger. I like the fact that Python has a debugger.
Python's documentation is woefully lacking.
What problems does that create?
Python does not let you distinguish between the usage of a variable and its declaration. Python lets you overwrite or reuse variables, which can be a pro or a con, depending on your style.
It is better to simply declare all the unique variables, instead of trying to reference it and reuse it and keep track of it. Or you can use one variable throughout the entire program, and make sure only one process is done on it at a time.
Python has a good multi-process interface that is easy to use. The downside is how badly it does not handle multi-threads.
I know JSP does a better job of multi-threading and resource allocation than Python.
The nested functions do not let you modify variables in the outer scope. And with variables, it not letting you declare variables makes it harder to make hard-to-find errors with those variables.
Python will tell you if you try to use a variable that you have not declared.
Python works better with multi-threading if you use Jython, a Python and Java hybrid.
But now you're learning a second language to offset the lacks of the first.
Python theoretically has more beautiful code. The downside is that it is not as widely used as rivals like PHP.
So I get paid more to code in it.
Python has a lot of large code libraries, so there is not quite as much demand in inventing new code modules as something like Java.
Java is famous for its security holes.
Yeah, job security. Dynamic typing and white space in Python, not so great. But understanding all the XKCD comics about Python, killer app.